welcome to the studio. So today I'm going to do a flip cup technique, and I'm going to use the colors purple, black, and gold, and I'm going to try to leave a little bit of negative space that's white surrounding my design. Alright, so let's try that. Alright, so I've prepared my canvas. So this is a 12 by 20 canvas. No, I'm sorry, a 16 by 20 canvas. So I have already put tape and push pins. I'm going to spray the back, and then I'm going to get all of my paints mixed up, and I'm going to layer them in 3 different cups, and then we will get started. Alright, and so for my flip cups today, I'm going to put a little bit of a background of white. The reason for that is that I do have silicone in a couple of my purples. So I did start to layer my cups. I have a light purple that has a pearl in it. I have a wine color purple that has silicone in it. Next I'm going to put in gold, and then I'm going to put in black in my cups. And like I said, I have 3 cups. I'm going to flip those, and then I'm going to try to produce some white space in between and see how that works. All right. I actually might add a little bit of white in my cup too. It is going to be the first color that comes out. I'm thinking maybe it'll mix a little bit with that black. We'll see. And so for a flip cup, you really just flip the cup. Now, I've only filled these cups halfway. You don't have to fill your cups all the way. You can. I didn't need that much paint for this. Remember, I was wanting to leave some white negative space in between my designs. So let me get the air bubbles. Someone asked why I use this little torch instead of the larger one. I just feel like I have more control, and I don't cook my paint. I just have not really tried the larger one. I just would fear that I would be a little bit too crazy with it. Once you cook your paint, it has a layer of plastic on it that you can't get back. So I like to just have some control. I think I'm going to avoid that. That's a nice little pattern coming out. Yes, this is a mayonnaise jar. Giving a little bath around each one, and yeah, that's going to all dump off. That's okay. Now I do expect to have some flow over, so I've got my table covered in plastic. And since this guy's coming out first, let's go ahead and pull him up and see what he gives me. I'm just going to pull straight up with these ones today. And sometimes I like to move my cup over to another location. Sometimes that works for me, and sometimes it's terrible. So we'll see. Ooh, these are cute. All right, let me get this out of the way. I'm not sure what negative space I'll have in the middle of this like I wanted, but we'll see. Sometimes I like to let it sit for a minute to grow. And if you want your cells to be big, then you want to torch before you begin to tilt. If you're looking for some smaller cells, then you want to tilt and then torch. So we're going to go for big ones. Looks like we've already got some started. I don't know that I'm going to have much negative space in the middle of this. Unless I add some. Well, let's just go with it. All right. Well, I think it's rested as good as it's going to get. I'm going to go ahead and almost beautiful like it is. Big bubble. While we have it there, let's go down to this corner. Ha! Wasn't sure I wanted to go over yet, but there it is. Let me turn it around. So now you see what I was looking at. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to try to come this way a little bit so that I can come to this corner. Not so sure I want to lose all that. I'm going to try to walk it down this way. That way I maintain that line. I like that line. Go straight down to that corner. So that's good. I kept that line there. Alright, I think I might stop right there. I think I like this as white negative space on the edges here. A little bit right here. I think I might just stop right there. Alright, so just a little peek at the final painting. I guess I did achieve some negative space with white at the ends. I kind of was looking for some in the middle, but I am satisfied with the little veins of white that I ended up getting, because this is a beautiful combination of colors. Alright, so I will also show you this painting when it is final and dry. Thanks.